Hey kids, guest star today, Sam Endicott.
Hey.
He's going to help us walk through this derivative for 9e to the negative 8x. So one of our newer rules, right?
Yeah.
With exponential functions.
Absolutely.
Now, why would we like exponential functions here, Sam?
Because
Based on your limited knowledge right now
Because
of exponential functions.
it's easier.
It's easier. I agree. So let's just run over here to the side real quick and maybe have a quick refresher on what that looks like. So if I take the derivative of e to the u, what do I get? Do you remember?
You get e to the u du dx.
E to the u du dx. I mean, wow. That's
Doesn't get any easier than
doesn't get any easier than that. So let's look back over here at our problem. I see the potential u here. Would you see it, Sam? What do you think our potential u is going to be?
Negative 8x.
That's a great call. So
Yeah.
if u equals negative 8x, now, you know, Sam, if this is negative 8x, what's my derivative going to be? Because we obviously need that.
Yeah. The derivative of u.
Yeah, derivative of u here.
Would just be negative 8.
You got it. Genius.
Man.
Okay, so let's rewrite what we've got here then with my u in there. So f of x is equal to 9 times e to the u. Hey, bingo.
There we go.
Okay, right here, we're on pace. So when I take the derivative of this, now let me ask you a question. Again, being, you know, relatively new to calculus and all that, are these two things the same thing?
No. Yes.
Yes, they are.
Yes.
Yes, they
That's
are.
what I
Stand by.
meant.
That's
Yeah.
what you meant. I knew that's what you meant. I put you on the spot. It's okay. These two things are the same thing.
Yeah,
So if
yeah.
I try to find f prime, that's the same thing as dy, dx,
yeah.
which is also the same thing, by the way, as d
d
dx, which is, hey, what we got right here. So what would my derivative then be based off that rule over there? So we're going to have f prime of x equals,
The derivative would be 9e to the negative 8x.
yeah, okay, we'll
Oh, yeah,
substitute
t-
in
yeah.
negative 8x
Oh,
in
yeah,
just a
sorry.
second. Okay, times what?
Times du dx.
You got it? It's perfect. Now, go ahead and substitute in those u's. So this is going to be 9e to the,
Negative 8x.
which is what you
Or
said
negative
just a
8,
second
yeah.
ago. Yeah, 8x stays up there. That's what the u is.
Yeah.
Times now
Negative 8.
negative 8.
That was the derivative.
That, you got it. That was the
Alright.
derivative. So the only way we can clean this up, and this is where some practice might happen, because as teenagers, you want to multiply everything by negative 8,
Yeah.
right? What two things are the only two things you can multiply by negative 8 here, Sam? What are the only
9
two?
and negative 8.
9 and negative 8. So we're going to actually end up with negative 72 e to the negative 8x. Now, trick question. Can I leave this as my final answer? It's a trick question, so that should be the
Yes.
clue. You can.
Yes.
Could I write it a little differently?
Yes, you could. You
Why?
could make it prettier.
Yeah, I could make it prettier, and why would you say that?
By making it, dividing it by negative 72.
Close, close. Anytime, now this is, I put Sam on the spot here, but notice that my e is raised to a negative power.
Yeah.
So anytime I have a negative exponent, guess how I can change that to a positive exponent?
By you're gonna have to
You got to
Yeah.
put it in the denominator.
put it in the denominator.
Look at there.
Exactly.
So I can go from up top to the bottom, and notice that no negative sign down
Yeah.
there now.
All right.
There you go. So that's taking the derivative of exponential. What do you think, Sam?
I think that's an easy enough way to do it.
Excellent. Thanks for your help today, buddy.
Thank you.